next is Ute Hall. Sorry if I mispronounced that.
It's okay, happens all the time. The name is Ute Hall. So thank you, committee members, for giving me the opportunity to speak on behalf of unhoused veterans. I don't want to throw any numbers at you this morning. You get plenty of those. I want to speak to you as a retired social worker working in the emergency department at the VA here in San Antonio. So in my job as a mental health provider, providing urgent care to veterans with severe mental health problems, not so severe mental health problems, substance abuse problems, my first job was to help them get stabilized. Often that meant hospitalization for a period of time, residential treatment, but many of these veterans were unhoused. And so what happened, they returned back to the street. A number of them applied for the HUD-VASH vouchers. They were eligible at the time based on income requirements. But if you live on SSI, I don't know what the latest numbers are as far as SSI is concerned, but at the time that I was working, it was less than $1,000 a month. So about a third of that is expected to go towards rent. Many of these veterans could not live on $600 or $700 a month, so they chose to walk away. That's a problem. They relapse on their problems, return back to the emergency department, get stabilized, happens all over again. It's a revolving door. In 2024, the rules were changed that allowed disability payments to be removed from the requirement for subsidies for veterans housing, for the VASH voucher. With this, veterans now, those that are receiving those disability payments, they are now in a much better position financially to apply for these vouchers. It is so important to have housing in order to get stabilized permanently. It is very, very difficult if you're unhoused to find a job, to stick to your treatment plan. It is just so very difficult. So housing is the first thing that we should consider for these veterans to help them regain their footing and become hopefully employed. So with this, I would strongly encourage any landlord out there to consider this when they may be feeling that this is not a good risk for me. I understand that, I get that. But with more income, I really strongly believe that we will see more veterans that will remain in their housing, that will become successful within the city too. So thank you very much for the opportunity to speak to you.
Thank you. Martin Gutierrez.